If you have pressed your car's horn and nothing happens, no honk, no sound, you're not alone. Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Repair. Today's video we're diving into car horn troubleshooting and repair. We'll cover the most common reasons your horn might not be working and how you can fix it step by step. Number 1. Faulty horn unit. The horn itself might be damaged. It's usually located near the front of the car, making it vulnerable to water, dirt, debris, ice, and road salt. Most vehicles have just one horn, so if it fails, you get no sound at all. Some cars come with 2 horns, and if one fails, you might still hear a weak or partial sound. Number 2. Blown fuse. One of the most common reasons a horn stops working is a blown fuse. Fuses are found in your car's fuse box, which connects and protects all electrical components. A fuse can blow due to an overload or short circuit. Think of it like a safety mechanism. Luckily, replacing a fuse is simple and affordable. Number 3. Bad clock spring. Ever wonder how your horn still works when you turn the steering wheel? That's thanks to a component called the clock spring, a coiled wire that keeps the horn connected to the electrical system even while turning. If the clock spring fails, the connection breaks and the horn won't work. This might also trigger the airbag warning light or disable other steering wheel controls, like the radio or cruise control. Number 4. Faulty relay. Your horn's relay is typically found in the fuse box under the hood. If this relay goes bad, the horn won't get the signal to activate. When pressing the horn button, you might hear a faint clicking sound from the relay but no honk. Number 5. Wiring problems. The horn relies on electrical wiring to stay connected to all its components. Over time, wires can wear out, corrode, or come loose, especially in older vehicles or harsh environments. Loose or corroded connections can cause the horn to stop working altogether. Wiring issues are harder to diagnose but shouldn't be ruled out. Start by checking these basics. Measure voltage at the horn. Check the ground connection. Inspect the fuses and relay. Look at the clock spring. If the horn itself is faulty, replacing it may solve the problem. But if you've gone through all the basics and still can't find the issue, it might be time to visit a trusted mechanic. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, like and comment. And don't forget to subscribe.